Look at that. That's right there. You can see the red mark on. So I'm transferring the videos today, right? So it's January 12th, Thursday, and I'm transferring the videos. So while the previous video was being transferred, I was watching this particular video on my cell phone and it was just playing, right? So I was just talking about how I got a cut here, and I was trying to focus and show it. Yesterday night, so bridge over there, I don't know, they had to make it show out something, and now I don't know, for whatever reason, now they gave me this cut here. So yeah, they used to give a lot of cuts before, like, you know, Almas Jacob's video I started watching, like in last October 2021. That's when they stopped giving me all the cuts. And just recently wash my hands, and that's when I got this burning thing. I'm like, oh, something is burning, and so I came and checked, and they had given me a cut here. So middle finger is like a FU, right? So right before that, what had happened was they were trying to seduce me, like when I was just sitting and, you know, I was playing my game. And I don't know, I just got up and I washed my hands and I'm getting ready to do some other stuff. Like I was just doing the laundry. And so when I said that laundry word, okay, when that popped up, like when I was watching this video on my cell phone, they gave me very intense 3 twitches on the left side of my leg, saying that, oh, I have to do the laundry. Because see, when I woke up this morning, I already have, you know, I plan out everything, like what all I have to do. So I had already planned out in my head that after transferring the videos, I have to go out and do some groceries, and then I have to come and, you know, do laundry and this. So now they know that I already said this to myself, or else why would they give me twitch on the left side of the leg at that particular word? So now I have to make another video and waste my time to expose the twitch that they gave me at that particular wording. Why? Because now they're doing super interrogation, and this is how my entire timing and everything goes. First I have to make the video, then I have to upload it on YouTube, then I have to transfer it here, and then I have to figure out what video is what, because now I have like 6-7 videos just sitting in my cell phone. So I have to watch here and there just to figure out what, and then I have to like rename all of this to figure out like what video is what. So all this just takes away so much of my time. It's already 1 o'clock, right? And now, because if I don't do this now, when my hubby's away, like, you know, usually I do not get time to do all this and to listen to myself, because if he's around here. So yeah, this is how they waste my time. And, you know, just because they gave me a twitch, now I have to make this video, and now I'll have to upload this video. And now again, this will just consume my time. And this is what is going on for since 2014. They just, you know, consume my time and time and time, and my entire regular schedule that I was doing before 2014, my regular lifestyle, they completely messed it up. From this continuous targeting and torture thing, physical torture, mental torture, all this stuff, right? And these people know that they are getting exposed. So is Almas Jacob, and that is why he keep posting the videos. Oh, keep silence, keep silence. If you don't keep silence, then we will, anything can happen to you. But he doesn't tell directly to me. He just posts those videos after videos. Why he posted those videos after videos at those in that particular 1 week? Because I was exposing Almas Jacob on his Instagram, on his Twitter, on his Facebook, on his YouTube, and along with him, Sachin Clive, Mukesh Watts, OCI, FBI, all these, Stephen Greer, all these people, Dr. Richard Boyle, and they were getting exposed on Facebook as well. So yeah, just because these people started, they were being exposed by me, he started to post these indirect threats to me that, oh, if you do this, then, oh, just like the Sushant Singh disappeared and all the celebrities disappeared, you might get disappeared, you know, like. So anyways, now I'll have to upload this video and waste my time.